Hi, we are going to start a new series that is PL-300 exam preparation. In this video, we are going to start with understanding the complete syllabus of PL-300 examination, exam pattern, and types of question they ask in PL-300 examination. Before we jump to the complete syllabus, exam pattern, and types of question, we'll understand what exactly PL-300 examination is. So PL-300 examination is nothing but Power BI Data Analyst Associate certification. So it is the official certification provided by the Microsoft. What it validates? It validates your skills in data preparation, data modeling, data visualization, and Power BI service. It is industry recognized certification for data professionals or analytics professionals. Who can apply for this PL-300 certification? If you are aspiring data analyst, you can appear for this PL-300 examination. If you are working as a Power BI developer, then you should apply for this PL-300 examination. Even though you are working professional using Excel, SQL, and Power BI on your day-to-day tasks, then you can go and you can apply for this PL-300 examination. Even though if you are a finance people or FP&A professional, then also you can go and you can apply for PL-300 examination. Even though if you are a fresher preparing for analytics role, then you can go and you can apply for this PL-300 examination. Let's understand overview of this PL-300 examination. So PL-300 is nothing but the exam code given by the Microsoft. So duration of this exam will be 120 minutes. So in that 120 minutes, you will have to solve question between 40 to 60 question. So you will get a question between 40 to 60. So what will be the passing criteria? So out of 1000 points, at least you will have to score 700 points. So mode of exam will be proctored, online, and test center. It means that you can appear for this exam on online mode as well as in-person mode as well. But if you are planning to appear for the online mode, so the exam will be in proctored form. So what will be the question style? The question will be practical and scenario based only. You will not get single question based on theory. All question will based on practical and scenario. Let's understand syllabus. So for syllabus of PL-300 examination, they have divided the syllabus in 4 major domains. First will be the data preparation. Second will be the model the data. Third will be the visualize and analyze the data. And fourth will be the deploy and maintain the assets. And for all these 4 domains, you will get all question based on real-time business scenario only. You will not get any single question based on theory. Now let's deep dive by the domain wise. First domain is prepare the data. Under this prepared data, you will get near about 15 to 20% of question in the exam. So under this prepare the data, you will get question based on connecting to the data sources such as Excel, CSV, SQL Server, web, and other data sources. You will get question under the prepared data based on Power Query transformation as well, such as how to remove errors, duplicate value, changing data types, splitting and merging the columns. You will get some question based on merge and append queries, and also you will get question based on data profiling and data quality checks as well. So mostly for the data preparation, you will get question based on scenario only. Let's deep dive to the second domain, that is model the data. Again, when it comes to model the data, which is very important domain for the PL-300 examination, because you will get 30 to 35% of question from this domain. So under this model the data, you will get question based on data modeling concept, such as what is star schema, what is snowflake schema. You will get some question based on relationships, cardinality, and cross filtering direction as well. Also under this model data, you will get question based on DAX function. What exactly DAX function is? Calculate column. You will get some question based on measures, and also you will get some scenario based question based on time intelligence function such as YTD, MTD, QTD, that is year till date, month till date, and quarter till date, and other time intelligence function as well. And also, as it is very important domain for PL-300 examination, so we will get some question based on some scenario for model optimization and performance as well. Let's deep dive to the third domain, that is visualize and analyze data. So in PL-300 examination, you will get near about 25 to 30% question based on this domain, that is visualize and analyze data. So under this domain, you will get question based on reporting and analysis. You will get some question based on some scenario which visual to use. You will get some question for reporting, formatting, and layouts. You will get some question based on filter, slicer, and drill through. And there will be some question when to use tooltip, when to use bookmarks. And one thing to note down, you will get all these questions based on scenario or practical use case only. And also additionally, in this visualization and analyze data, you will get some question based on AI visual, such as key influencers and decomposition tree. And also they will give you some business scenario to check storytelling skills. Fourth domain, that is deploy and maintain the assets. For deploy and maintain assets, you will get near about 20 to 25% of question. So in this domain, they will mostly focus on Power BI service. So in the Power BI service, they will ask you question based on publishing report to the Power BI service, workspace and apps. They will ask you some question based on schedule refresh, incremental refresh. Also, you will get some question based on data gateways. You will get some question based on row level security, page level security, and there will be some question based on sharing, accessing, and collaboration as well. Mostly, the fourth domain will be related to the Power BI service only. Now, type of question you will get in the PL-300 examination. So let's understand the format of question. You will get different format of question as listed down here. Some question will be multiple choice question where you will have to select single answer. Some question will be multiple select question where you will have to choose multiple options. Some question will be based on case study. There you will get question based on case study. There will be some question based on scenario where you will get real-time scenario, and based on that scenario, you will have to solve that question. There will be some question based on drag and drop. There will be some question based on true, false, or yes and no. But one thing to note, you will not directly get theory-based question. If you are aiming to prepare for PL-300 examination, so in this PL-300 exam preparation series, we'll solve all previously asked PL-300 examination question. So each question will be include concept explanation, real-time world scenario, and exam focus approach and tips. This will not only help you to clear your certification, but also it will help you to crack your Power BI interview. So if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And for more such informative video, check out to our YouTube channel. Thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video.